Hello and welcome to another episode of Mobilestechland.com. So in today's video I'm going to unbox or unpack a new product, which is the Hoco TAG E91. This is a very compact tracker which I would suggest is a replacement for the Apple AirTag. An Apple AirTag is very costly, but this is very cheap. It costed somewhere around $7 to $8. So now let's unbox the product and let's see what's inside. This box has all the product features mentioned in the back. The best part is it works with the Apple Find My network. It has a battery life of around 9 to 12 months. Its weight is only about 7 grams. So this is the manual book, works with Apple Find My instruction manual, so on and so forth. Here is the silica gel, and this is the product. Looks very good. It's a very tiny product. So it is asking me to pull before use. Done. There is a small button on the left hand side, tiny button, and there is also a waterproof case inside, which I think it's pretty easy to put it in. Nice, the product is in my hands now, so let me try connecting it with my phone's Find My. So first I'm into Find My, then hit on the plus button, add another item, turn on Bluetooth. The button that you have on your Hoco device, press it for some time, and then once you hear a sound you will be able to pair it. See, Hoco Tag. Hit on connect, enter your name, tag 1. I have renamed this, and choose an emoji. I'll choose the purple heart. Continue, agree. So it says it can play sound, it can put it on lost mode, and and now hit finish. When I play the sound, you can hear the sound. It's pretty loud. You can also see the directions on your Find My device. So this can be a very helpful device for those who are looking for a cheap replacement for an Apple AirTag. An Apple AirTag is very expensive. You can also see how much battery is left on the device from your iPhone itself. You can share the item with another iPhone device person. So after my son goes to school, I will see if this tracks properly. So see you after some time. I just dropped my son to school, and now let's see the Find My device. So as you can see, this is my location, and the Hoco E91 is somewhere here. Here is my son in school. So if I want, I can play sound, I can see the directions. This is 1 kilometer far from where I am. So I hope this video helped. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.